Hi, good evening, all of you. Good evening, everyone. So, in gold and in Bitcoin, also, I have already taken a trade and exited. Now, no more trades. Just I will explain what I did. Let's see if I get any opportunity. I will explain you, or else we'll see. Okay. Before in the evening, I mean, when I was in office, I have entered over here. You can see this. I have entered over here, kept a stop loss below this. So 1:2 target when today in the morning when I was in our office. So this is 1:to 3.73 risk reward which I have maintained. Okay, this is one more trade, and here also there is one more opportunity, but I didn't take because I already captured 1:to 3.73, so I didn't take here one more trade because this is also a good trade because it is taking support at 9:15 EMA. Okay, and same thing, the logic is simple. I told, right, if it is above 200 EMA, then the market will be bullish. See here, above 200 EMA only it has closed. It has closed above 200. That is why I entered here, and later on you can see this in Bitcoin. You can see this pattern always appears. This is called head and shoulder. So many people will be knowing this. So this is shoulder, this is head, this is one more shoulder. So if this neckline, this is called neckline. If this neckline breaks, then the market will be bearish. But this is above 200 EMA. I know I should look for only for bullish entry, but according to this pattern I should go for a bearish. I entered almost here. You can see this. I entered at this point, this candle, this red candle, and I kept a stop loss above this, just $2. $2 the stop loss, and the target I kept is around. I should have kept around this target, but I have not kept this target. I have kept around $7 target here near 200 EMA. So this candle has hit the target. You can see this. If I tried also, it would again it has fallen down. So again it is falling down. Overall it is in bearish because from here it has given a uptrend. You can see this. From here it has given a uptrend, means this pattern, according to this pattern, if this breaks down, again it will come till here. You can see this. I mean, I should have kept this target, but my risk reward is 1:7 point this thing, that I kept only 1:3.74, this much. This is a Bitcoin trade. Now also there is an opportunity. If I get any trend line breakdown, I can look for the bearish trades. Let's see. This is a Bitcoin, and in gold also I have traded. I'll just show what I have traded in gold. In gold, you can see this. There is a trend line, and it is taking support at 200 EMA. You can see this. It is taking support at 200 EMA. So I should look for bullish entry, right? This is breakdown. I have entered over here. I will explain this. I have entered over here, and I should have kept a stop loss below this. Below this I should have kept this, but what I did is I kept below this candle stop loss. See this candle stop loss, but it has hit my stop loss here. No problem, because if I kept buffer of this stop loss, then I would have get profit, but this stop loss has hit and exited with loss of $6. Okay, no problem. Then later on again I saw the very potential, because it is taking a support at you can see this, it is taking a support at 9 and 15 EMA. Hi sir, okay, so it is taking support over here. Then I saw this, and again entered over here. This candle entered over here, kept a stop loss below this much, because this is a buffer, kept a stop loss this, and I looked for around 1:2, this much, 1:2, $13 something, 1:2, 2 point this much, but it has given massive move. Again it is moving up, because why I kept is here, before you can see this. I hope you are seeing this. Before, like, there is a resistance over here. There is a resistance over here, that is why I kept here. It has given breakout. Now the gold, whoever you want to take trade, like gold is in a bullish, you can buy the trade. I will show the chart. Okay, I will show this. This is a pattern. See, below it is a bullish, it has given sideways, then again it will move. How much it will move? From here it has given like around 3.59%. You can see this. From here it has given 3.59%. Same it will move. Just observe this. From here 3.59%. Okay, I'll put Control H. Okay, so this is the target. All right, till here we can trade a bullish trades. See, so much massive buyers are there. You can see this in 1 hour candle, how strong the buyers are. Gold is moving up, how strong the buyers are. You can observe this. See, now still there is a potential. You can buy here and keep a stop loss here. I mean, you can enter here and put a stop loss $12, but so much, like, we'll shift to 5 minutes and we can take a trade. See, again this has taken a support. See, you can see this, it has taken a support and again it is moving. Let's trade like according to this. If I trade also, it is a good move. Once again I will show you. See, here it is taking support, right? Here entry, this is the entry point, this is the stop loss below this, 1:2 target. See, if I would have entered here, stop loss below this, 1:2 target. So it has given already 1:1, but I have not entered. I'm just explaining about this trade. Now it is going almost near to 1:2, but no problem, because still it will go, still it will give opportunity. No more array trades. Let's see, wait and watch. No more array trades, no more FOMO, because we are in a profit today. We can enter by risking our profit, not from our capital. Okay, keep it this mind. Here also Bitcoin, so it is taking reverse, so again it might come bull, it might come bearish. Ethereum also, yeah, we'll focus on gold and Bitcoin. If any bearish candle comes, we'll short this. And here also we have like opportunity to enter here, but it is okay. We have missed from past 5 minutes. It is okay, no problem. Will not go aggressive. Opportunity will come every day. So this psychology you should follow, because every day the market will be open like 24/7. Whenever you get opportunity, you take trade. Should not lose your capital. That is the main motto. I hope you are liking this live stream. So same thing, I hope you are also follow this trades, risk reward, or else you just observe my live streams, so that you will get so much of knowledge. So whoever is on live, just please like and please comment. Only one people are commented. One people is commented, and whoever is in live, please comment. I can get to know whoever is interested. Okay, so you can see this, there is a bearish in Ethereum, in Bitcoin. If this closes bearish, right, we'll take a short entry. Gold, I have entered here and exited here. Whoever came now, gold, I have entered here and exited here, but it has given massive. So if I tried also, like, wow, double 1000% return, I think so, on my capital. Controlled, I mean, you should control your emotions, that's it. So if this breakdown, will enter a short trades. Will enter a short trade by keeping stop loss. Small stop loss will trail. See, if you would have trailed, I mean, I'm busy at that time. I didn't trail. I mean, I kept a target and I left it. Otherwise, I would have trailed this, or else I would have taken again here this after this breakdown, after this shooting star again breakdown. Just here I invested like around $2-3. You think I invested here $3 and got profit of $7. You can imagine 100% return. 100% return. You cannot expect this in Indian market. 100% return you cannot expect in Indian market. 100% return, when it will come is around it will take around 2 years, maybe 1 or 2 years, if you are in a pro level trader. Okay, if this closes down, we'll keep this buffer here because it might come above. We'll keep some buffer of the stop loss, then we'll go for a short entry because so much of mess, so much of mess. We'll shift it to day candle. You can see it has, this is what, this is the price action. It has come down, it has taken a pullback, and this should come above, below this. Still it will fall. You can see this. Nice. We'll trial today. We'll take small risk. We'll trial it. Another 40 seconds. In gold. It is okay, no problem. In etherum it is okay. In this only we'll take a trade here. Another 28 seconds. I'll just keep it. Still I have not activated the trade. Still it is in a I mean, if this closes, I'll take a trade. Another 10 more seconds. Yes, I have entered it. I have entered the trade. I kept a buffer amount here. You can see this because it might go and it might sweep the liquidity here. Whoever kept a stop loss above this, right? Like I kept about like 0.6 this thing pips. So it is moving in our direction. I will trial this. We will trial our profits. Here I have kept already profit, but we will trial this. We will trial our stop loss and we will trial the profits. Just observe. Here also, like this is also a good move. And a candle, if I see, this is also in a bearish. Ethereum is also bearish, that not that much in day candle, but this is also one of the entry. I mean, we'll see if this goes above and then we'll take entry. Okay, trade is activated now. Stick to the rules. Stop loss or target. See, gold war. Again it came down. It is going above. If this closes above this, right, again it will move. This gold, but we'll concentrate. Now we have taken already trade in Bitcoin. Like we'll concentrate this. So I'm risking in my profits. Okay, what I have done today, trade, right, around around 13 around $13 I was $13-14 I have done today. In that I'm risking like $3.5. That's it. I hope you can see the clearly the chart which I have drawn, trend line, and entered the, I mean, entered the trade, bearish trade. If if this breakdowns, we'll trial the stop loss, because today I'm in profit, right? We'll trial it. If this gives good return, then what is there in that? Like I have invested almost $2.54 here. I hope you are liking the stream. Every day I try to come, because I have some tight schedule. I should not say this, but every day I will come. I'll try to come around 9:30 or 9:45. I hope you are liking this video, the live trade in front of you. Gold is consolidating. When Ethereum, it is taking, like, we'll take a trade in Ethereum also, but we'll concentrate only on this, not many trades, because in live stream what will happen, like, you will get aggressive psychology to trade. Stick to the rules. I can take, because I'm in a profit, I will take risk in another trade, but not you, only one trade, because beginners, you should take only one trades or two trades maximum. In forex you can take so many trades, but according to the risk reward you have to follow it. So it is going in our favor, the trade is going in our favor. I think I should zoom in. No, that is okay, that is fine. Okay, the trade is going in our favor. If I get 1:1, okay, no problem, I will not trial, 1:1, I will not shift the stop loss, because it might come above and it might go down. Yes, yes. Hi, sir. Hi. Hi, sir. Hi, Raghu, sir. So the live trade is going on. Yes, almost 1:1. Yes, almost 1:1. We'll trial today. How much ever we want, we'll trial today. Yes, 1:1. I got 1:1. Please double tap on the screen, like the video. Yes, yes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, let's see in gold. Okay, it is still consolidating in gold. So etherum, it has given speed move. If I would have entered here, but not aggressive. I told you, right, in live, I'm in a live stream. That is why I'm doing only one trade, because again you will also get so much attracted to this, and you will also do multiple trades. Over trade you will do. So I'm not doing it, because you should control your mind always. Yes, we'll see any support is there. Yeah, here there is a support. It came up to support, and next support is here. Okay, nice. I think it will fall another more thing. Okay, it's okay, no problem. No, no, it is not 1 minute. It is 5 minutes time frame. 5 minutes Bitcoin. I'll write it over here. Text. Okay. It's already 10:22. Let's trial. I think the whole night will fall. Let's trial it. I mean, if we get a good opportunity, right, like, we can trial this, and another next 1 or 2 days, if we not trade also, that is fine. But when we get good opportunity, we should take the whole profits. Yes, I got 1:1. Now heading towards 1:2. Here it has given up to support here, right? That is why it is consolidation here. Once this breaks down, right, again it will give a nice move. See, in Ethereum it is taking support, right? So gold, it is moving above. Again it will move, like if this takes down. Here also you can enter. You can put a stop loss below this or this. No, will not enter. There is already one trade has opened over in gold. I will see this US market. What am I in US market? Okay, US market, that not that much positive. Okay, and you will see in Forex Factory, is there any news? That is not impacting so much. You can see this. If it is red folder, then only it will impact more. It is again going to our cost to cost, but will not trial to cost. Okay, stop loss still it is in above, because anyhow it should come down. We know that it will come down. If our stop loss hits also, no problem, because it will go in our profits, today's profits. Ethereum it is taking support, right? That is why. But Bitcoin already broken. See, you can see this wick, so much big wick. Selling pressure. Whoever not subscribed, please subscribe to channel, and whoever not like the video, double tap on the screen, so that it will get like. Okay, I hope you are enjoying this live stream, the live trade, so that you can learn more. You need not to deploy any live money. You can see this whatever trade, same thing you observe in the market, so you get to used to this, then you can put a real money and you can trade it. Another 20 seconds to close this candle. See, so much of selling pressure from here. Gold, nice up move. Still is moving up. Like if I would have entered here, risked over $6, like almost another $1 or $2 cost. Nice, we'll get so much of 100% return. See, now I got a like a doji type of thing. So this, whatever it comes, right, green candle it might come. You can see this one big green candle it might come, and it might tell that buyers are there, so that sellers will get out. Then it will grab the liquidity and again it will fall. Or else this selling pressure says that it will fall down. Let's see. Wow, gold, nice move. If would have entered here, the target would be here 1:2. Again it will go. Okay, let's concentrate on this, not on gold. Opportunity will come. Let's trade. Or else we'll take one entry here. In 1 minute we'll see. 1 minute we have the entire year. I think so. $3 to $6. Yeah, $6. We'll see. In 1 minute if I get any opportunity, we'll enter in gold or else not. Because 5 minutes we cannot enter. There will be more risk if it falls down. If again if this takes takes support, then we'll enter. Okay, it's already 10:30. Another 1.5 minutes there to close this candle. I told you, right, it will close like green candle. How this comes is based on the experience. Every day you observe the candles, every day you just see the patterns, so that you can predict whether this will be a green candle or red candle, like this. So this will be closing in green candle. It can move again upwards. It will give like big Marubozu bullish candle also, so that sellers will take out the trade, because again it will go reverse, and if it stop loss, so that they will take. Again sellers will exit, then again the more sellers will come by taking a liquidity. Wow, gold still it is going. I told you, right, this will be a target. Still this much move is there. We'll take entry here by risking this much. Okay, not anymore. Will you? See, it is still moving up. It's okay. Will not take any aggressive trades. It is fine. In 5 minutes also, see. Nice. If this comes down, then only will take trade. Will not sleep today. I'll get up all night because this opportunity will not get any time. In gold I'm saying. I told you, right, green candle will happen. So this candle has happened green color, so that they will invite the buyers. So now so many buyers are entered here, and they kept a stop loss below this below this. So again, if it falls, the liquidity they'll take out, and it will move down. It will move faster down. Again they are inviting the buyers. Ethereum, you can see this is taking support. Ethereum, if this breaks down, again it will fall. No, I don't know, it might consolidate because it has given big move. So did you heard about markets for you broker instead of using exchange? Someone suggested. What your opinion? Market for you, I mean, I heard about this, but I am not sure about how this is. Market for you and mint live mint live something other broker is it? That is also so much of good. But I heard those stocks those brokers, but I didn't know. I mean, I didn't explore that. I'll explore it. Whatever you told, that markets for you. Markets for you. Okay, making the markets work for you. Experience advanced trading technologies and unlock your earning potential with market. Well, we'll see this. I'll see this. How this is. Okay, I'll mark this and I will explore this. In currency strength, you can see this US USD is decreasing. In Forex Factory 10:45 p.m. there is something news. That is not that much that is not that much impactful. See, if this comes down, then again if this gives green candle, we'll enter the trade in gold. So I'm too tired. It's okay. We'll see. Yeah, it is moving in our direction. So buyers who have entered buying here, right? They kept a stop loss below this, and below this. Again they will come, market will come, sudden spike it will give down. See, now it is breaking down, but it should break below this etherum. Yes, it is heading towards our target. As I told you, right, so many people had entered buying side here. They kept a stop loss below this. The stop loss has triggered already. So many stop loss is here below this. So much stop loss will be there. Again here it is coming, right, so many people are buying. Gold, if this touches and then give a green candle, then we'll go for a bullish trades. $10.45. Okay, this ethereum is breaking down. If this closes 1 minute candle, in 1 minute candle, if this closes, then people can enter here. In ethereum, I already entered in Bitcoin, so I will not enter ethereum once again here. Bitcoin, I entered, and this now we are seeing is this is 5 minutes candle. See, gold is taking support at 9 EMA. Let's wait. See, this 1 minute candle, if this closes, we can take an entry here. Short over this. Stop loss will be above this. 1:2 target. This is a 1 minute entry. 1 minute entry, and stop loss above this. We'll take here also trade. We'll keep a stop loss above this. Then we'll enter the trade over here. Okay, I have entered here. Target is 1:2. Okay, Bitcoin, it is falling. Gold, it should take support and it should give a green candle. See here also the stop loss will mean so many people will be putting stop loss here. Now it will trigger. You can observe this. It will come and it will trigger and it will take stop losses. It will get out the buyers. So I am managing both trades. In Ethereum also I have entered, and in Bitcoin also I entered. Ethereum, it is still in a loss. See if this good green candle gives, then we'll take a bullish entry in gold also. Another 3 minutes 42 seconds to enter in gold. If this gives green candle, then only. Okay, another 10 minutes. I will be live. I will close the live, but I will be trading today night. Another 2 minutes. If this gets a good candle, then we'll take an entry. Another 2 minutes to close in gold, but we'll see if this gives a good green candle or not. Because so much of it has given from here. 1 2 3 4 9 green color candle, so it will take some down. So I entered in Bitcoin and Ethereum also. Ethereum still it is in loss. Bitcoin is in profit. In gold also will enter another 45 seconds. another 45 seconds. Okay, we'll enter in gold here. Yes, I've entered in gold. Long position, keeping a stop loss below this. 1:2 target. Etherum else is still in loss. It is near to our stop loss. Bitcoin, it is coming towards our cost to cost. Now 3 trades I have to manage it. I kept some buffer here because it will come and it will takes liquidity and it will go. Same thing is happened here. That is why same thing has happened here when I entered over here. Entered over here. Gold also I entered. Ethereum also I entered, and Bitcoin also entered. Bitcoin, it is taking support here. You can observe this. This is the surface where it is taking support. If this break down, then again it will fall down. And above it is forming some trend line here. Yes, gold is almost cost to cost. Ethereum, okay, it is taking bearish. Now so much buyers are inviting in Bitcoin and Ethereum. So many stop losses over here. Here. Yes, gold is falling. It is in a risk. So it is almost 50% of our stop loss. We have entered for bullish, now it is falling down. Okay, Ethereum taking bearish sentiment. Bitcoin, it is almost near 1:1, but gold is falling 50% already. Other risk. You can see a trend line over here in Ethereum. In Bitcoin also same thing. In gold, okay, it is taking support. If this gives green candle, right, this is actually the price action down. If again one more green candle, easily it will reach our target. It should give a green candle now. So everything is possible when you properly maintain the discipline. Discipline, risk reward, emotions, psychology, all of this. Today if I lose 3 trade also, from today's profit it will go, not from my capital. But 3 also, it is in probability winning chances is more. Yes, this candle should close above this, like this, same thing. Then only it will go bullish. And there are 1 minute 30 seconds to close this candle, then we'll see. So Ethereum is near to our stop loss, and Bitcoin is near to our cost. Gold is giving good move. Nice. Gold is giving good move. Okay, it is taking resistance in ethereum. Yes, it has closed good green candle. Again it will move up. So ethereum is near to our stop loss. 9 and 15. If this closes above it, then my stop loss will hit. It is almost near. It is going to cost, and gold is in a profit. I told you, right, I will ride this trend. The target can come up to here. See, still it is here, but the market is here. Yes, again it is falling. Yeah, it is taking resistance over here. You can see it is taking resistance, and here it is taking a breakout. Let's see it will bearish or not. Bitcoin is giving a bearish. Okay, gold again it is falling. I think it has given almost position stop loss. Okay, ethereum has hit the stop loss. Ethereum is stop loss hit. Okay, this trade is in loss. And Bitcoin almost it came to cost, but still our stop loss is above this. Gold still in a profit and more volatile. Okay, ethereum it has crossed above 9 and 15 EMA. You can see this, so much of big fall, right? That is why it is coming up. Like, let's see in Bitcoin it has not taken any resistance. This is the first time it is taking resistance. Again, if it goes above and gives red candle, again we can enter in a bearish. Now it is in a loss. Bitcoin, gold has given almost 1:1. You can see this 1:1. So I risked with $6.30. Now it has given 1:1. It is heading towards 1:2. Bitcoin, it is going towards against our trade. Okay, it's already time up, I think, so I will end the live stream. Yeah, gold is giving good move. Ethereum, see how much big move. This is also it's almost nearest my target stop loss. Bitcoin this might hit any time, but gold is going towards our target. Okay, we'll close the live stream. We'll see whether this target hits or not. It's almost given 1:1 and heading towards 1:2. So this is almost nearest my stop loss. This might hit any time. The stop loss might hit any time. There is no any resistance over here. Gold. If this falls, then it will be good. All the buyers who have entered here, they will take out the stop loss here, stop loss below this, and all those things. Okay, it is almost near to cost. Yes, see, this is what happens. Buyers, they have all inverted the buyers. So Bitcoin, it almost came cost. Again, it might fall if this closes like this only, because this is fake breakout above this. I told you, right? So many stop losses will be there here. So many stop losses above this. That is why I kept a buffer of this much stop loss. It has gone near to my stop loss, not it, because some buffer amount. in this market it works the same, because here there will be so much of liquidity, so much of stop loss who have entered here they will put be stop losses here. The stop loss, if they take, then only the liquidity fulfills, orders fulfills, right? Okay, it is coming bearish. Gold is also, it is just taken support here and it is given a breakout. Again it should move up. Okay, so gold is Bitcoin is heading towards our target. Here our stop loss is hit in etherum, small stop loss around $2.59. In gold also it is in profit, in Bitcoin also it is, because I told you that there will be so many stop losses here, they will come to take. That is why we have to keep some buffer amount, $1 or $2. We have to keep the buffer amount. Okay, I hope you enjoy this live stream. Let's close the live stream. I'll be trading today. I'll trade till night. This target hits. Okay, bye everyone. Bye who are watching. Bye. Bye, good night. I'll close the live stream.